Another day, another chance. Today I'll be busy speaking about chapter 12, and it'll be a ship that fires bullets. So obviously, we're gonna use an import. We're gonna use the import feature in which we import systems, import Pygame. Then, obviously we're gonna import from settings. From settings, import settings, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first download Pygame. First download the systems in Pygame. So that's what you're gonna be doing first. So what I'm gonna do is we're going to install Pygame. Right, install Pygame. So right, so we've installed. So obviously you're gonna go to your terminal, view terminal, open a new one. Then you can see Python minus npip install user game. Requirement already satisfied. Pygame in C. Yeah, you got that. Requirement already satisfied. Got that. Okay. So yeah. So install all the packages there. So all the Python packages that you need. Then yeah. Okay. So it's been installed now. This. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna say starting the game project. We'll begin building the game by creating an empty Pygame window. Later we'll draw the game elements such as the ship and aliens. On this window will also make our game respond to user input, set the background color and loading our ship image, creating a Pygame window and responding to user input. We'll make an empty Pygame window by creating a class to represent the game. Right, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a class called Alien Invasion, and this is gonna be a comment which is gonna read out overall class to manage game assets and behavior. Right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a method here, which we're gonna have a method, your comments there, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna have here. That's what we're gonna have here. So our class, right? Our class, then yeah, that's what's gonna have our method as well. Comments, then we're gonna have a module and the function of that module, which can be a tuple. So you're gonna turn this thing to a tuple, right? So you're gonna have a parameter and it's gonna measure the variable screen. So basically our parameter is something that we use to measure and a variable screen, you know. Then that module, right? The module set function, right? Then it's gonna have module. And obviously, this is what we're gonna do is from our settings, right? From our settings, right? From our settings, that's what we're gonna have. So from our settings, it's gonna be 12,600. This is gonna be our setting mode. That's a right? Function, comments, right? So this can be a method. So yeah, that's what's gonna be. So method, method, right? Which is gonna be running the game, right? Then there's gonna be right. It's gonna be the comments. Then it's gonna be the while loop, which is gonna be true. Then our for loops. And then in Pygame event, the module event, get if statement, which is gonna be it, if event type equals to Pygame, then the constant is gonna be quit, then it exit system, right? Module, uh, function, right? Then if statement, name, right? Module, uh, variable, class, variable, function, different method, comment, parameter, function, module, class, right? And yeah, so basically, I'm sure you're seeing a recurring theme here. It's basically the same as chapter 11. Our port system, our class, method, module, variable, function. It's basically those things. It's just gonna be our while loop of if statement of for loop, right? And then it's gonna be our mod. So basically, it's the same thing as chapter 11, except doing all of this to make a game. I say it's gonna have that. Okay. So class therefore if if therefore okay. Oh, setting settings, plus alien invasion, overall plus manage game assets and behavior, different self. So basically, that's what, that's what we got here. Right, so that's what we got here. And so our diff, that's what we have here. So this all the programs, right? We're gonna have class if, but all of that, right? So that's what we pretty much have. Okay, so creating a scenes class. So yeah, that's what we pretty much have. Yeah. Uh, that, that's what, that's what we pretty much have, right? Okay, so yeah, got that. Then here, so yeah, that's what we see all of this function that you got here, like set mode with settings, self screening, like class, method comment, method comment, if while for loop, if statement, all of that, right? That all of that is gonna give you this. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen here. So it's pretty much same as chapter 11 actually. It's just that you're gonna create a game. I think very much appreciate